Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the join the 4-second Discord server. So for this you have to go to the Google Chrome browser or the Discord app, then you have to click on the add a server option from here. Then here you have to choose the join a server, but if you have the invitation link you can simply copy and paste it here and you can simply click on the join server. But if you don't have any invitation link, then what you can do is simply paste the for second Discord server link, this Discord server name. So for example, I would like to write it that for second, then what you need to add is the rbix from here. There you can see the 4-second rbix. Then you have to click on the join server, and here you can see that the invitation link is already expired, so we are going to try it with the capitalization of F. Then you have to click on the join server. Then here you can see the invitation link is simply showing that it has expired, but in your case that if you use the updated joining link, then you can simply just copy and paste the link here. Then you have to simply click on the join server. After that it will simply give you to the access to the 4-second Discord server. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.